Hey guys, I just wanted to cover, I know that I've been getting a lot of people talking about Google Search Console sent them this email that says unparsable structured data issues detected on your website, and then your website would also be listed there, and it says incorrect value type at context, right? You're getting this queued up and you're trying to fix it, but you can't figure out why it's happening or where it's coming from. And some of you may even think it's a Yoast issue, but it's not. Actually, it's quite simple. If we turn off the HTTPS remover plugin, it will correct your fix. So here's what's happening: is basically when you get the invalid type JSON-LD, your whole website suddenly appears to be affected, and incorrect value type at context is the report on an unparsable structured data is what you see. When you go to your Search Console and there's a big red, and if you have 100 pages, you'll see 100 affected pages, and if you just have a couple, like in this case 23 affected pages, it will show all these pages, and you won't be able to fix it even though you're trying to crawl it. But here's what's happening. First off, to make sure that you have the right error that's happening, just go ahead and open up and run a test in the in the schema tester for Google. Go ahead and run a test, and if this comes up where it says there was an invalid type in your JSON-LD, then you know that yes, this is the problem, and it's going to show up. If you click on that little red X, it will show up here. It'll show you the line item, and then it will highlight the schema.org issue, or right there on your link. So that's what you're looking for there. And really what it should look like is https:/schema.org versus, so in this case it's missing the schema, but this is actually happening in the Yoast schema graph, or wherever you're running your schema through, as it's getting this error because it's not parsing it correctly. What you'll do is you'll open up your settings, go under General, and you will find the 2 backslashes on your URL. If it starts with that, then indeed, yes, you are having this issue. And all that you have to do is just go to your plugins and make sure that this is deactivated so that it reads activate. And then eventually, once this goes away, you can just delete it. But this plugin was probably used on your site to correct any issues between HTTPS and HTTP type links when you switched over and migrated in the past to an SSL secured certificate. A lot of times you may have had a lot of extra links you didn't need, but this is going to be what you want to do to solve it. And as soon as you deactivate HTTP/HTTPS remover, this plugin, as soon as it's deactivated, your Search Console, you can go ahead and go back to Google, the schema tester, and test your site, and you will notice that every problem is resolved. So I hope this helps somebody. Again, just remove this plugin and your problem will be solved. So hope this helped you guys, and happy SEO. Talk to you later. Bye.